Only at Anchor Supplies you get the largest variety stocks of nuts and bolts, lubricants, and also fire extinguishers. We service them and replace them, also install them also. So check us out. If you want a basket of nuts and bolts to give, check us out. Anchor Supplies. We have baskets, we have boxes, and we also have bags of nuts and bolts. Nuts and bolt. Check us out. Where's upon that king of nuts? What do you mean? I don't know if we located that already. Front Denby Hospital, Maple, Clarendon. Check us out. As we say, we are Anchor Supplies, the big anchor.